Yeah, 3-day looks strong on SPY. Not really. Yeah, it looks good. No bear div. I mean, daily obviously definitely setting up. Just setting up. Daily looks strong, but it's there. Few points too. This definitely 3-day looks good. DLP's coming alive. And there was actually, yeah, there was a lot of, I think we looked at this the other day, a lot of bull div on the DLP, returns oscillator, Z-score, shit's all over the place. And I don't even have pulled up, but I would probably assume RSI wasn't showing it. Why would it?
It's because it's still oversold.
Yep. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, this whole up move has been price action going random. Or going back into randomness. Contracting volatility, negatively correlated. Significant this week. It's having a good week. It's a good weekly candle for SPY.
Yeah. And that dude would have told you as soon as it printed, it looked like it was like significant correlation.
Right.
Yeah. I've for XRP, I'll go look at BTC now. I was looking at 12-hour positive drift. And that's pretty much what's just been buying up the market. So to look for good entries long every time it comes back down.
I was actually thinking this thing's getting ready to rip here. I was looking at the charts a little while ago. Oh, that's a sound of fucking music back there. I just heard the convection oven say, "Hey, Bilbo, your biscuits are done, son."
Pew, pew.
Yeah, but they're like cookies. I'd rather eat a biscuit. Let me see.
Sketch.
Yeah. No div on the returns oscillator on the daily. I like that. BRD. Okay.
Oh, 2-day, 3-day. Also, both have mean reversion on the RO.
Boing. Speaking of the RO. So, are we going to close the weekly up here around the 1 SD? I mean, that pretty much stifled price action. Keep dropping back down low. Man, it's when it hovers like this, when it just hovers up around it, that's, yeah. But to me, this looks like it's getting ready to have a right before the close little pop here. Yeah, there was the height of the day. Where'd that candle close? Yeah, it did. It closed above it. Closed above the weekly. But then, boop, dropped right back down below. We still haven't went up here and tested the top of the monthly. I imagine that's going to happen. Yeah. It's a magnet at this point. It's like, come experience me. Let's see. Let me see here. Let's throw this back. Now what? I like the projection bosses. This I do. Yeah, and if we close up here around the 1 SD, also we're going to close back up inside this 95.4. Yep. Yes, we are. And then, we'll have to see how price action reacts here next week when we bump up against the top side of this 95 for Laplace. I have a feel this is close though, right? I mean, obviously the returns are mean reverting. It's just when this is going to be a powerful move next week. Something kooky going to happen this weekend? I doubt it. I mean, we're talking little run to 30K. I'm thinking more next week. I'm thinking like 27, 28K or something like that. Wherever it happens, this is why I love this weekly. I want to see how price action is going to react around that area. That's for sure. What does this puppy look like? Let me. Boom, 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 boom. Mm-hmm. Hold on here. All right. Yeah. Yeah, Spy's getting ready to do it as well. I mean, if it has another good week, we could see like, 435 area.
Yep.
That's what's great. At some point, these next few weeks, we stay up in this area. Spy is just going to open up a new week on the other side of the meet in like 3 weeks. 1, 2, 3. Some point. Unless this thing just dumps out. We'll see what happens here. It's going to be interesting. Let me go back over here on this 90. Boing. Yeah, the Z-score slowly pulling out. All right, I mean, we talked about it yesterday, 90-minute, the Z-score was all the way up here. It's usually going to make its way down. We had several here, little 90-minute candles, pulled that Z-score way down. Probably going to work its way back up. We're probably going to see another pump here. Let's see. Yeah. Yep. Hidden bowl on it, too.
Yeah. Why does you check mine on the 90-minute? My RO is mean reverting to outside. Oh, ready to break through an outlier.
Let me fix this price scale. Doing. Yeah, we're talking up here at about 25K. That's where I thought we were going today. 25. See a little pop here. The last hour of this 90-minute candle just outside the distribution. Just a big right here. We can just move this baby right over here. Doing. That was a hell of a move right there. Way outside. Way. Let's take a peek here. Let's see how this is all settling in. The old 90-minute. Yeah, all the way to the bottom. There we go. Uh-huh. Looking good. Looking good. Yeah, it's above 25. Makes another run at it over the weekend. Right through here. 25, 26.
MJ, are you on the charts?
He's addicted. The boy's on him.
Yes and no. I got One monitor has it.
Oh, okay. And then Pornhub on the other.
What do you want? What do you want to look at?
No, I was just asking if you have what things are you trading at the moment or looking to get into quite a bit long?
Yeah, I
He's
just
trying.
keep it simple right now. If I trade, I only trade Bitcoin or Solana or whatever. I'm not really
He's
into a
trying
whole
to
bunch
figure
of
out
stuff.
if we know anything. So let's go. No, you're good. Look at the 4 hour too. 4 hours good. The distribution. We're up there a little bit over 25 too over the weekend. 25, 26, and 10. Actually looks good. Volatility's still pretty low here on the 4 hour too. After this little pop.
Yeah, it's been quite confusing.
Yeah,
Well,
it
it
can
hasn't been
be.
the best of the lead.
It can be.
Yeah, I feel like the 4 hour time frames are the 4 hour time frame, at least for today, I've been experiencing that
Mm-hmm.
this is not in signals for shit. Because this thing is pumping whilst it's mean reverting on my RO, at least.
The pap.
It's like it's showing me other factors. And then say maybe the 3 hour will give us a clean sweep. So it's just double the 19. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's a little bit cleaner. It's looking for to play off with a hidden bullish div in this region, off of touching the reverse wave trend.
Like the 2 day. I do. Yeah, nothing really to run a projection on. Where are we on this daily? It's only 3, huh? Let's take just one quick peek just to see where we're at. These last few days here, going into the weekend. Yeah, we got room to run. Pulled up from the top side of that 95.4 too. And over the weekend, 27 and 27.9. The top side of the distribution in the daily. If this thing wants to pump.
Yeah, that matches the 35-hour mean, I think, on the daily or the 7-day. So there's it's a neat little confluence that's coming out of here. It's after like
Right.
I don't know, like 2 4 hour candles outside to get that.
There we go. Yeah, there's a 12-hour recent. That was a nice 12-hour candle there. Nice little 12-hour candle. There. Whoops. Ah, what a beaut. Yeah. I'm sure I'm not the only one that likes to play with the distribution models.
Yeah, that's good fun right there.
And you can just see it. You don't even need to pop it up. You start just seeing
right.
it.
Yeah, after a while, yeah.
You can literally, with just your imagination, make a projection. At least I can sometimes. I can stare at it so much. It's insane.
Yeah, if I have a moment where nothing's like no candle, it's like a candle's just stuck between no lines. There's enough fucking lines on my chart for a wick to touch it. I go, okay. If I was to put up an imaginary cone, what level is this? And then usually it's correct. The first or second, the second or third. Those are the guys that are interesting to put it out.
Right. And that's the good fun there.
Predict the model is green. Let's see what she has to say.
Yeah.
One more 1 minute print up here. And then scoopity poopity.
Oh. Not the old scoopity poopity. Hope I didn't go back far enough.
Oh, there we go. Let's see. Oh, okay. This is a tight one. Some panic sellers.
It's a 5 minute. That pump earlier. 2 little taps on the top side of 68.3. Just did it. What are we doing? Yep, stream went sideways right there. Here we go. BRE. What are we gonna do? We're making some kind of crazy pattern. What kind of pattern are we making?
I think this is a bearish triangle down with a tail. You know, the one that points to the right.
Right.
You know, it must break like 70% the way through. So I don't know where you're gonna start your triangle from this.
Oh, dude. I mean, yeah, it just reached about 70%, and look, it's breaking down. We need to like make a entire category in the Discord for patterns.
Oh man.
So we start collecting all the. No, okay. Let me see. Right.
Yeah, there's one trader. He's actually a millionaire, and that's the fucking only pattern he trades. It happens at market open. He just scans all the markets on the S&P, and he goes, "This is my 15 seconds of the day." Boom, boom, and obviously he's right, like about 90% of the time. But I think it's more just gap fills. He's getting right. But yeah, we can do patterns with return oscillator. That makes sense.
Yeah. You can definitely put trend line on them's bad boys. 15 minute here.
I like cone formations. That's the shapes I like.
Oh, I'm on Solana, Jesus. Come here, BTC. The hell you doing? Knew something didn't look right. Yeah, I gotta push that. Boop, boop. There we go. There's BTC.
See?
That's what I
see, African, that's the cone formation right there.
Is this what a cone formation?
Yeah, that's
I thought it was like the top of a rocket flying into the lake.
Cone. Put it on normal, and sure enough, boom, 2SD. When everybody's like, going to the moon, you're like, yeah, got a wick above it, then that rejection. Yeah, if you were riding long term here, you're definitely taking your damn profit. If you're just in some long term trade. Then when everybody thought the world was falling apart here, top side of the 1SD caught both of these. 3100 low and the 38K.
Yeah,
with the pandemic there.
That wick left some PTSD in me, man.
Oh, you see it.
I knew it was coming, but I just couldn't fucking figure it out. It's like, it's savage. It's crypto. The energy is coming like this. Just couldn't figure out when.
Right. Boing. Yeah, it's all good. But yeah, we've had a good week. It's going to be interesting next week. That's for damn sure. See if we get some continuation here. Like I said, if we close up here around the top of the monthly over the weekend, which I'm surprised we didn't hit there today. It tried. Had some resistance up here at this weekly level, though, obviously. I mean, that's the R2, I believe. Yep. Weekly R2. Didn't want anything to do with it. Made another run. And distribution came into play. Chat right now. Close up here around 24 today. Then over the weekend, close up around the top of the monthly. Could get interesting. For that mean reversion next week, that would be ideal. That would be ideal. You see here. Love this puppy. Yeah. Yeah, like 28, 27, 28K. Would be nice. Because where it's actually going to be, you're probably going to see, when we close around here, the 95.4 Laplace will be above the mean. So, could get real interesting. And I suppose until that time, will be, oh yeah, Monday. So yeah, next week, Monday through Thursday, the streams, right? They're going to be early afternoon for you guys overseas. 9:30 a.m. for Americans. I'm sure P-Funk will be stoked. He'll be able to be in them. You guys seem active in the chat right around that time, and that's another reason why. Get people, get more people in. It'll be a little hard for time to fly. It'll be whatever. And Donnie, 6:30 a.m. for Donnie, Monday through Thursday. Maybe you're up having coffee.
Hopefully we can catch him on his morning poop.
Yeah, and then MJ's going to record as many as he can.
Let's see.
So we'll see how it plays out.
Yeah, all
Yeah,
depends
here's
on
Donnie.
the work schedule.
Nice. Donnie's good at 6:30. Perfect.
Whole gang gonna be rolling up.
Gang, gang.
I'll also
Gang,
wake up
gang.
Pow, pow.
Pow, 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 boys. Monday, 9:30 a.m. Market open. Be there or be square. No bourbon, though, boys. 9:30 a.m., right? Everybody behave. All right. I'll see you guys Monday morning. Later.
See ya.